Lysosomal storage disorders are inherited metabolic diseases caused by deficiencies of lysosomal enzymes, leading to accumulation of undegraded substances within cells. Pompe disease or B's kara, the Zohr matter, B's. Deficiency of alpha-1,4-glucosidase causes accumulation of glycogen. Sphingolipidosis. GM1 gangliosidosis results from deficiency of GM1 ganglioside beta-galactosidase, leading to accumulation of GM1 ganglioside and galactose-containing oligosaccharides. Tay-Sachs disease is caused by deficiency of hexosaminidase alpha subunit, resulting in accumulation of GM2 ganglioside. Sandhoff disease is due to deficiency of hexosaminidase beta subunit, causing accumulation of GM2 ganglioside and globoside. GM2 gangliosidosis variant AB results from deficiency of ganglioside activator protein, leading to accumulation of GM2 ganglioside. Metachromatic leukodystrophy is caused by aryl sulfatase A deficiency, resulting in sulfatide accumulation. Multiple sulfatase deficiency involves deficiencies of several sulfatases, causing accumulation of sulfatides, steroid sulfate, heparan sulfate, and dermatan sulfate. Krabbe disease results from galactosylceramidase deficiency, leading to galactocerebroside accumulation. Fabry disease is caused by alpha-galactosidase A deficiency, resulting in ceramide trihexoside accumulation. Gaucher disease results from glucocerebrosidase deficiency, causing glucocerebroside accumulation. Niemann-Pick disease types A and B are caused by sphingomyelinase deficiency, leading to sphingomyelin accumulation. Mucopolysaccharidosis. Hurler syndrome, or MPS type IH, results from alpha-L-iduronidase deficiency and causes accumulation of dermatan sulfate and heparan sulfate. Hunter syndrome, or MPS type II, is caused by iduronosulfate sulfatase deficiency and also leads to accumulation of dermatan sulfate and heparan sulfate. Mucolipidosis. Eye cell disease and pseudo-Hurler polydystrophy result from defective formation of the mannose 6-phosphate recognition marker. This causes accumulation of mucopolysaccharides and glycolipids. Other diseases of complex carbohydrates. Fucosidosis is caused by alpha-fucosidase deficiency and leads to accumulation of fucose-containing sphingolipids and glycoprotein fragments. Mannosidosis results from alpha-mannosidase deficiency, causing accumulation of mannose-containing oligosaccharides. Aspartyl-glycosaminuria is caused by aspartyl-glycosamine amide hydrolase deficiency, resulting in accumulation of ASPARTYL, 2-DEO-XY2-ACETAMIDO, GLYCOSYLAMINE. Other lysosomal storage diseases. Wolman disease results from acid lipase deficiency and causes accumulation of cholesterol esters and triglycerides. Acid phosphatase deficiency results from deficiency of lysosomal acid phosphatase and leads to accumulation of phosphate esters.